Hi, welcome to Monday Minutes. I'm Nick.
And I'm Jessie, and we are live
Woo!
from the New Hampshire Summit in Meredith, New Hampshire.
Yeah, we're so excited to be here today. We had a great day talking about a lot of Koha issues, Aspen issues, talking about all the features and fun stuff, and just getting really excited about community, like we always do.
We got to see almost 50 people from around the state who came to share ideas and talk all things Koha and Aspen. So Nick and I decided to record a Monday Minutes about a topic that came up during the summit today, and it has to do with reports. The question was, can we make reports public so they're visible on the OPAC? And the answer is yeah.
So this was a feature that we kind of talked about while we were demoing the reports. And we'll start here, and we're going to show you the real basics of it. This gets into some advanced stuff here. Using JSON and JavaScript, you can visualize these reports. It's a great feature for interacting with outside systems or displaying to the public information from your Koha that you want to share. So the example we're going to use here is a report called Circulation Broken Out by Month, which if we run this report, normally in Koha, you'll see it gives us a list of each month of the year, how many checkouts, renewals, returns, and total transactions there were. Now, this is the kind of information that you may want to get out to the public. You know, if it's the end of the year and you are presenting your budget to the town, you may want to make that information public to everybody so they can come see. So what we've got here, and we'll start out, whenever you create a report in Koha, on the staff side, you've got this little option here called the JSON URL. If we click on that, you're going to see a little bit hard to read. We can make it a little prettier in our browser if you have the right extension. This is taking that report results and turning it into JSON, which is a computer readable way, JSON object notation, or JavaScript object notation, which is going to let you visualize this data. So the terrific Every Other Thursday podcast, Monday Minutes little sibling.
Yeah.
Or older sibling, either way. They have a great long podcast that digs into the actual using of JavaScript to visualize that report and do other things with it and to create a custom page in Koha. But we're just showing you right now, you've got this little link which will get you to that. So you can use this data on the staff side, but now show them how to make it public.
All right. So when you're creating reports, you'll usually see this option and it will ask you, report is public. 99% of the time it's probably no, because it's data that you're analyzing. You want to see what the turnover rate was, or you want to look at how many patrons are between the zip code. If we change this to yes, then we can push that data out.
Yeah. So once we save this report, if we go back to the reports view, the table of saved reports, we'll see that the JSON URL has changed.
Ooh.
And now it's presenting the OPAC URL. So what this means is that anybody with this link can come to your OPAC and hit that and view this data. And so a lot of places when we've seen this used are when a town or the city or the state will want that data available, and you can present it to them this way, and they can get it programmatically and use whatever program or code they want to visualize that and make it displayable.
Now, we're going to throw one more thing at you.
Okay.
In the tools module, remember, we have the ability to write custom pages. So you could take that information and create a page on the OPAC that shows that information. So you'll see right here, we have a couple just basic OPAC pages, and that would be a great way. You could create one called statistics and then put that right on there.
Yeah, and we've seen people do other, interesting things with this code. They've made buttons on their staff interface that tell them how many hold requests they have waiting, or a button that says how many patrons need updating. Kind of different things that you can add so that your staff can come in and kind of have a custom work view that shows them what they need to do that day.
Well, this is awesome.
Yeah. Jay-Z and Nate will be at the New Hampshire Library Association conference for the next 2 days. So come hang out with them. And we're going to go hang out now while we're together.
All right. Bye, y'all.
Bye.